So guys, in today's video guys, I'll be making it a live demo, meaning that I'm going to be depositing on this platform and at the same time I'm going to be withdrawing as well. So guys, this platform called Hisense, they officially launched today. Yes, so if you're watching this video now, I would advise you jump into this so that you will make a lot of money, because I will always tell you the truth. Platforms like this don't normally last forever. So if you're watching this video today, being 29th of June 2024, jump into it right now. I'm going to drop the link in the video description of this video. You can check out the link in the video description, or you can check the pinned comment on the comment section to get yourself started. Now, once you register, you'll be given a welcome bonus of 1,100, which we are going to withdraw on this video. Just watch out. All right, now the basic fact is the minimum deposit is 3,000. all right, now once you click on this area that says product, you will see the available product right here which you can go for. Now they have a package of 3,000 which will be giving you 450 every day for 60 days. All right, now they also have the one of 10,000 which will be giving you 1,550 every day for 60 days. Okay, now how do you deposit? Now over to your home menu. Now by the time you log in, you'll be prompted to join their Telegram group. Now let's click on make a deposit. Now once you click on make a deposit, now good, you will see that the minimum deposit here is 3,000. okay, so you can't manually enter the amount, or you can't click the amount in which you want to deposit. Now let's click on 3,000. all right, now once you tap on 3,000, it will now appear here. You scroll down and you click on you can go with any of the payment gateway. So let me choose the bank transfer too. So once you select any of them, you click on deposit now. So you can as well read these instructions. Okay, like you say, the minimum recharge amount is 3,000. Now you click on deposit now. Now once you have clicked on deposit now, you wait for it to load. Now it has loaded. Now it has shown you the account number you can pay to. Now this is the account number you are giving to pay, and this is the expiring time you are giving to make this payment, so that your payment will be successful. And this is the account name, and this is the account number. Now let us copy this account number here. Now read this instruction. It says, please transfer to this account. Please transfer to this account to complete the payment. This account is valid for one time. Please do not repeat transfer. Now they say this account is valid for just a one time, so don't duplicate this payment. Okay, once you have paid, just come back here and click on I have made the payment. Now I'll pause the video now to make this payment, guys. So guys, as you can see here, this is when I made the payment. Now let me go back now and click on I have made the payment. So guys, as you can see now, the money has reflected. I was initially having 1,100. Now I have 4,100 naira. Now what do you do here is to click on this one that says product. Now once you click on product, guys, now you come now depending on the plan that you want to go for. So you can just simply click on buy. Now once you click on buy, 3,000 naira will be deducted from your balance, and this particular plan will be given to you. Now let's click on buy. Now once you click on buy, now you can decide to read all of this, okay, for more insight. Now it says 3,000, daily income 450, total income to 27,000, expiring date 60 days. Now you click on confirm. Now let's click on confirm. Now it says your purchase has been successful. Now once you click back here, as you can see, we have 1,001. Now another thing you can always do every day to increase your earnings is to click on this daily check-in. Now let's click on daily check-in. Now you see that every day you check in, you'll be given 100 naira. Now let's click on check-in. Now we have checked in successfully. Now let's go back to the menu and refresh this page. So now you see that we have 1,002. Now let's go and withdraw this money now to our bank account. Now let's click on withdraw. Now once you click on withdraw money, okay, you select the bank in which you want to withdraw the money to. Now let's click on it. Now you click on add. Now once you click on add, you navigate here to select the bank. Now this is OPay. You click on it, you select OPay. Now you input your OPay number here, your OPay name. So once you enter your OPay name here, you enter your OPay account number here, and you click on add. So now if you want to withdraw, now you enter the amount you have on your balance. So you have 1,200. Now I'm going to enter 1,200 here. So you'll be they will charge you a tax fee of 10%. Now if you are to withdraw we are going to receive 1,080 naira. So you click on withdraw now. Now it says submitted, withdrawal submitted. Now as you can see now that our balance has been emptied. Meanwhile, let me simply go to my OPay account and check if the payment has arrived. As you can see here, I received 1,018 naira. I already have 5 point something naira, and this is the message I got from them. Dear user, your OP account has been credited with the sum of 1,018 naira on the 29th June 2024. So guys, my advice for you is that if you're watching this video now, if you're among of those watching this video now, I think this opportunity worth jumping into. Okay, you can start today. This kind of platform doesn't last forever, but if you're opportune to watch the video, to come across the video today, start immediately. Okay, start immediately. Let's make money from this, guys. All right, so this is where I will draw a curtain of this video. If you do find any value from it, guys, do go to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.